ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹೋದರರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹೋದರಿಯರೇ, ಕೆಇಪಿ ತಂಡದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕತ್ವವು ನವೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ 31 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಷ್ಯರು ಆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಕಲಬುರಗಿಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ.
Hello everyone, I am Shakuntala and I am making this video from Kalburgi, and we have our church in Kalburgi where I serve in full-time ministry along with my husband. We have been married 1 year and 7 months. We committed to serve God as He called us to do in this region. Kalburgi is well known for its Turdan and the warmth of its people. People here are very loving, kind and hospitable. The city also has many hospitals, and the well-known hospital is ESIC because it looks like palace. And I am doing video from here, as you all can see. I come from a Christian background and grew up going to church every Sunday. Outwardly, I appeared spiritual, but inwardly, I struggled. At home, I was rebellious. My life was focused on pleasing people rather than truly living to please God. I was constantly performing to gain approval, which left me feel tired and empty. Eventually, I became exhausted from living a performance-based life. I longed for true peace and true acceptance and love. That's when God began to reach out to me. He used our dear auntie to help out, who God really is. On August 21st, 2016, I accepted Jesus as my Lord. Since that day, I have experienced His unexplainable peace, agape love and true acceptance. After becoming disciples, my purpose got changed. Because before I was having desire to become chartered accountant so that I can become rich and show to people that how rich I am. But after becoming disciples, I understood God's purpose. I believe in Kalburgi many people how I once was like searching for peace and love and true acceptance. I request you all to please pray for Kalburgi Church so that many more lives can be transformed and touched by God's love. Thank you.
ನಾನು ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲನೆಯದಾಗಿ, ಉದಾರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಸಭೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಣ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎರಡನೆಯದಾಗಿ, ತಾಯಿ ಸಭೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ನಾವು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೊಮ್ಮೆ 1ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದ ಭಾನುವಾರದಂದು ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಸಭೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡೋಣ. ಮೂರನೆಯದಾಗಿ, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಸಭೆಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸೋಣ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಿಷನ್ ಸೇವೆಯು ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.